Thank you. All the women in the room, let's give them a huge round of applause. All of you came to this world through a woman, yes?
Yes.
Including women and men, everyone here?
Yes, absolutely.
All of us are celebrating and praying to a power that is feminine and yet ferocious, fierce yet dominant, and she can destroy, create all at once. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Those are the qualities we see in every woman. Woman who is fierce, who moves forward without apology, captures the world, captures the dominance, captures what she has to, empowers others, and she can actually destroy if there are destructive forces that need destruction. If she is incited, you have the worst day that day. It's best to work in cohesion. The essence of EC here is collaboration, and the best collaboration occurs when the genders collaborate together to create the world, to create companies, to create countries, to create communities, and to create entire globe, to create legacies, to create iconic businesses. The center of creation becomes united because it's not a solo play. We have to honor women because women so far and even till this date are asked to work hard, look smart, earn respect, and prove your worth, whether silently or vocally. And it's a fact, no one can deny. How many of you agree?
Yes.
We have seen societies, even the most evolved families, most evolved companies, most evolved business empires, where the glass ceilings still exist. They do? Yes or yes?
Yes.
Saloni, you have dealt with a lot of them, so you will be able to say.
He's broken many glasses.
Definitely. Yes, that's why. Because it's up to you. Women, you have to recognize your power. We have seen a lot of power and a lot of empathy in women, and when these two combine, the world becomes the best place to be in. And today, now is the time, with the uncertainties rampant in this world, we all have seen what is going on. If the man is not brought up well, it's the responsibility of women primarily, but I will not say that. It is said so. It's the responsibility of both the parents equally to influence, give right guidance, and bring up the kids well so that they become the power to create, not destroy. Why? Because destruction is easy. It happens in a moment. Construction takes time. Construction takes months, years, decades. With AI, of course, it is easy, but on the digital world. To create, you still need that much time. You still need to lay bricks or the blocks, whatever you are building. And hence, empowerment of women and giving them the right mindset, right support, right environment so that they can grow and lead. 50% of the women are still suppressed, even though other 50% may have moved ahead and have opened up like a lot of opportunities we see. I would say at least, like nowadays people say it is 50%, it is not even that. It's much lesser. The numbers that meet the eye, the facts that are spoken in metros or on dinner tables of elite they are not the same as those who are, actually there at the ground level. You talk to NGO heads, you talk to people who are working on the ground level, they know how much work is there to be done. And when you are inspired, when you are enthused and empowered to do that kind of work, the world will become a better place. Not for only women, but for entire society. The threats will go away, so women, use your power, use it constructively, groom the men that you bring up to build the world, not to destroy. Thank you.
Thank you. So the world grows stronger because of you. Happy Women's Day. Now may we invite our women entrepreneurs.
Please come forward. There's all the girls, all the women, all the female power. Come. Saloni, yeah,
Thank you.
1 second, yeah. Yes,
Ma'am,
most welcome.
For our president as well.
Hooray!
to you.
Thank you.
How about giving the jersey?
Yeah, I will.
Who is there?
Jyoti.
This is for you now.
मैंने मैम को तो दे दिया.
Yes.
Everyone,
We can clap a bit louder, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you.